Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 4. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear learners, today I am present before you to conduct a computer class for the students of class 4. Our today's topic is MCQ 23 to 33 revision. Dear learners, look here, there are 11 MCQ today, 23 to 33 in our revision segment. Look here, this is our lecture number 16. This is our lecture number 16 on our annual term syllabus. I am very much happy to share with you that many of you, those who are present in our live class, that means they are very much smart learners. And whenever they are asked some questions by your teachers, you can easily get the answer or you can easily give the answer. This is very much good sign from your class, that means class 4. Dear learners, and in these connections I request you to have a revision class of MCQ 23 to 33. In these connections, look at both. So look here, lecture number 16 having no SW. First one is 23, that means today inshallah we shall revise 11 MCQ, 23 at first. In which of these will the computer not give an error message? So look here, an error message, not give an error message, mind it. That means if you write like this, it is for WD, that means mistake, FWD mistake because there is no space, and forward 60 because there will be little space. So look here, this one is error and this one is also error, this one is also error, but this one is okay. That means FD space 60, not give an error message, error answer. That means it will give you a correct answer. Option number D is the appropriate answer. FD space 60. 24. After typing the command print, PRINT, look, all the letters are in capital form. 125 divide 5 in logo software, which answer will display on the screen. That means if we divide 125 with 5, the answer will be 25. The answer will be 25. Look at the other option, A 30, no. B number 25, yes, we can think, or this is the appropriate answer. C 125, D 15, no. That means B number 25 is the appropriate answer. Okay, let me show you. 5 divide 125. Okay, at first give 2 times, 10, then 2, then 5. It will be 5 5 ja 25. So look here, look, what is the exact answer? Exact answer is 25. So look, I have given sign on 25, 25. Now 25 number, the print command can be written as A RP, B PT, C PR and D PNT. Print command are written as the short form is PR. Now 26, the command print 15 multiply 5 display the answer in logo software A 75, B number 95, C 85 and D number 65. Okay. Okay, now we will do the multiplication of 15 multiply. So look here, 15 multiply 5, 5 5 ja 25, it will be 5, that means 2 are left, 5 plus 2 is 75. What is the answer? Answer is 75. Look here, that means option number A is the appropriate answer, 75. That means if we multiply 15 minus 5, the answer will be 75. Look, 27 number MCQ. The command PR product 7 space 7 display which answer in the logo software. We all know that 7 7 7 ja 49. Look at the other option. A 77, no. B 49, yes, we can think. C 94, D 1, no. That means we all know that 7 7 ja 49. Now we will go to next page. So look here, page number next page, it is MCQ number 28. In logo software, difference command is used in state of using dash signs. Difference, can you remember what is difference? What does it represent? different represents minus. So look, A number is plus, B number minus, C number multiply, D number division. That means difference represent minus. 29 number, which command is not used in logo software? Look, A question says it is found, B number difference, yes it is also found, C number product, yes this one is also found. Look at the last one, that means D number is addition, that means yes, in logo software there is no addition command. Now 30 number, which of these will you use to find websites that give information on a particular topic? So look here, that means we will do, so which of these will you use to find websites that give information on a particular topic? Dear learners, in these connections, in my previous classes I told you several times about some web browsers and some search engine. Yes, I think you have remembered this, some web browsers and some search engine. Now look at the board. So look at the board, it is, these are the here, which of these will you use to find websites that give information on a particular topic? Mozilla Firefox, no. Internet Explorer, no. C number Bing, yes we can think, and D number Google Chrome. Dear learners, look here, only Bing is an example here, search engine. Only Bing, this one is the appropriate answer. That means Bing, Google, Yahoo, Ask.com, Baidu, etc. These are the example of search engine. On the other hand, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, these are the example of web browser. Now I think all of you have understood. MCQ number 30, the appropriate answer is C, Bing. 31, Dash can send data to each other. A number net, B number network, C number computer, and D number URL. That means using computer we can send data to each other. Option number C is the appropriate answer. Now look at the MCQ number 32. The word or group of words that connect one document to another document or website is known as A, hyperlink, yes we can think, B, internet, no, C, website, no, D, web browser. Dear learners, we have learned from our book, the word or group of words that connect one document to another document or website is known as hyperlink. That means option number A is the appropriate answer. Our last MCQ, MCQ number 33, which one is not an example of a search engine? So look here, look, which one is not an example of a search engine? That means I have already told you, Google, Yahoo, Bing, these are the example of search engine. On the other hand, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, these are the example of web browser. So look here, which one is not an example of a search engine? That means except Mozilla Firefox, these all are the examples of search engine. That means Mozilla Firefox is the appropriate answer here. So dear learners, so with this 33, we have finished our MCQ 23 to 33. Now I hope that all of you have, all of my students of class 4 have understood and have started to revise this MCQ number 23 to 33. Keep practicing at home. Finally, abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.